Painted one of the fan blades white at the end where you can see how slow it's running, and adjusted the idle screw on the carburetor. The was running fairly good, I guess, pretty slow. The little horn works. And put a stop in the radiator, internal radiator overflow, for how much that'll help. The new fan blade is on, and a little bit of an effort to get it over the crank pulley. And got a little bit of a leak, water leak right there. Head gasket, see it's dripping a little bit. Might need to idle a little bit faster, but and have the controller of the generator, the cap off, but the contacts are connected, but the gauge is showing that it's discharging, so not sure what we've got going on there. Okay, that's it for today.